Pushpa Karanga. I'm your EVS teacher. In my previous video, we have done the quiz on chapter number 11. Today, we will revise our chapter number 12. And the name of our chapter number 12 is Weather, Season, Time and Date. So let's revise.
The first topic of the chapter is weather and seasons. Weather. It can change within a minute or hours. For example, it may be very sunny and bright in the morning but becomes cloudy towards the afternoon. Examples of weather are cold, hot, rainy, windy, stormy, and snowy. Whereas season, it takes very long time to change. Some main seasons are spring, summer, monsoon, autumn, and winter. Now, I will tell you more about these seasons. Number one is summer. Summer is the hottest time of the year. In this time, sun shines brightly throughout the day. Days are longer and nights are shorter. We wear cotton and light clothes in summer. Next one is monsoon season. This is known as rainy season too. In this season, clouds cover the sky and it is rainy all the time. We use umbrellas, raincoat and gumboots to protect ourselves from rain. Next one is autumn season. In this season, trees shed their leaves. These leaves became yellow, orange, and brown in color. Next season is winter season. This season is the coldest time of the year. We wear woolen clothes and use room heater to protect ourselves from cold. And the last one is spring season. This season falls between winter and summer season. In this season, flowers blossom in the garden and our environment becomes bright and colorful. Next topic is time and date. As you all know, the time is very important. We cannot imagine our life without the knowledge of time. It is also important to finish our work on time. Clocks and watches are the machines which tells us the time. Now I will tell you about clock. Clock have a face. There are 12 numbers on the face of a clock. Clock has 3 hands. Number 1, the hour hand. Number 2, the minute hand. Number 3, the seconds hand. The small hand of clock tells us the hour. The big hand of the clock tells us the minutes, and the thin hand of the clock tells us the seconds. It moves faster than other two hands. The hands of the clock keeps moving to show us the time. A day has 24 hours. 1 hour has 60 minutes. 1 minute has 60 seconds. Morning. Morning is when the sun rises. Noon. Noon is when the clock hits 12. Afternoon. Afternoon is between noon and evening. Evening. Evening is when the sun sets. Night. Night is when the day comes to an end. Next topic is week, month, and year. Calendar. Calendar help us to know about week, month, and year. There are 7 days in a week, and the days' names are Sunday, Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. 4 weeks make a month. 12 months make a year. Name of the months are January, January, February, February, March, April, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. There are 365 days in a year, and there are 366 days in a leap year. A leap year occurs once in every 4 years. A month has either 30 days or 31 days. Only February has 28 days, and in a leap year, February has 29 days. The month who have 31 days are January, March, May, July, August, October, and December. And the month who have 30 days are April, June, September, and November.
I hope you understood today's revision work very nicely. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and have a wonderful day.